All right, guys, welcome back to the channel today. Another little project we have to do now. Back on the El Camino. We turn this around and I'll show you what we're doing. All right, here we go. Inner wheel tub. It's rotted right through. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut this section out, reform it with a new piece of metal, and tack it back in there and make it look good again. We've put aftermarket ones in the cars. They suck. Got to re-drill all the holes. So these are original to the car. So we're going to cut that out and fix that. All right. So here we go. Okie dokie. You guys know the routine by now. We're going to cut this out. This down here is rotted too. So I think I'm gonna just cut it here and then just make this whole corner. Duplicate the whole corner. Alright, this thing's rotted pretty bad. Alright, so this is what we're going to make. I'm going to lay this out. Alright, you're going to get a piece of paper, form it to this piece first, trace it back on a piece of metal, and then make it up. Alright, we turn you around and go to the bench. got the two pieces cut out. Basically, it's going to be these two pieces. So now I got to start forming this one. Start putting a lip on it to get it to look like that. All right. And then we'll form that one to look like the other side. So we're just going to bang away at it. It'll come out like it's supposed to. got that all done. My battery went dead, so I had to go charge it. But It's all back together. Tomorrow we'll grind all this clean, smooth. Probably end up stitching the back and then grinding everything nice and smooth. All right, there you go. Don't forget to like and subscribe, share, and we'll see you when the rest of it's done.